What's worse than a rapist? A child. So we've all heard depictions of what it's like to raise children. These noisy, messy, and clumsy little beings running around potentially breaking items or themselves in some cases. From caring for the physical and mental health of these mini humans to taking care of their education, it's a lot to handle. And of course, we want to raise these mini humans to not be the next Donald Trump, but the next Jeff Bezos or female equivalent. That's where we look to Vygotsky. Now, you may be thinking, well, how does Vygotsky play a part in raising children? Well, in a study done by Nichols, where he tested Vygotsky's argument that social interaction is the key to development and learning, Nichols tested 3 groups of students. Group 1 had cooperative group learning the first half of the semester and traditional learning the second half of the semester, while Group 2 had traditional lecture the first half of the semester and cooperative group learning the second half of the semester. Group 3 had traditional instruction throughout the whole entire semester. Now, what do these findings mean exactly? Well, it was reported that Groups 1 and 2 showed significantly higher levels of motivation than Group 3. In addition, motivation was the highest during the cooperative group learning part of the course. These findings are of significant importance because in today's age there are more students suffering from depression than ever before. So by finding a way to motivate students, there is a chance to lower that rate of depression. This also helps our educational systems find a way to motivate students. Not only does the experiment that Nichols did show importance of Vygotsky's research, but in 2003 there was another study done by Windsor et al. In which 32 children ages 3 and 4 were videotaped doing problem-solving tasks either at a lab or in their preschool classroom. Along with this, interviews were done with the teachers and parents of the children. Now, once I found that based on the reports of the teachers and parents, those children who engaged in high levels of private speech had more highly developed social skills, thus meaning that when children are allowed to talk out loud to themselves, also known as private speech, they are able to gain these highly developed social skills as a byproduct. Not only do social interaction and self-talk play a role into the development of children, but so does the zone of proximal development, which is the difference between what a child can achieve independently and what a child can achieve with guidance and encouragement from a more knowledgeable other. Now, relationships that include a less knowledgeable and a more knowledgeable other could include a teacher and student relationship, like how we have in school, a tutor-tutee relationship, a mentor-mentee relationship, or a parent-child relationship. Basically, any and all relationships where there is someone of lesser knowledge learning from someone more knowledgeable or experienced. Now, there's access to many more knowledgeable others in today's day and age, meaning that children can have a very enriched learning experience compared to 50 years ago, where there was not as good of an education system as we have now. Now, looking at a few aspects of parenthood, raising a child is a lot of hard work. From the emotional ups and downs to finding the right educational system, we all have something to learn from Vygotsky's research. While choosing to be a parent or not is everyone's personal choice, we also need to take into consideration the educational and emotional aspects, which, by learning from Vygotsky's research, we can better adhere to a more satisfactory way of raising children. I'm fine with not having kids anytime soon, though.